Hi, it's Miss Julie. Today we're going to be doing two different activities. The first activity, you'll need your tree picture because we're going to be coloring the tree trunk and we're going to be adding some leaves and some apples. The things you're going to need are, out of your blue box, your little tiny white crayon box and the crayon with brown on it, and your clear school box, the stickers, and you'll probably need 2 red and 2 orange strips. So the first thing that we do is we're going to take our brown crayon and we're going to color the tree trunk. So Miss Julie's going to color her tree trunk, and you can do yours when you're ready. Coloring the tree trunk. Okay, I know that this time of the year, the leaves are all turning different colors. So I am going to put orange stickers on my tree. And I'm going to pretend that they're leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There, I put some fall leaves on my tree, but I think that this fall tree might still have some old apples still on it. So I'm going to put some apples on my tree too. 1, 2, 1 little, 2 little, 3 little apples, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little apples, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little apples, 10 little apples on my tree. I did 10 apples on my tree. The red ones are the apples and the orange ones are the leaves. I'm just pretending. It says, how many apples are on your tree? Miss Julie just sang 10 little apples. So I'm going to write a 10 on here. A 10 is a line and a circle. 1 and a 0, 10. There's my first project, and you can do that too. I'm going to set that aside for just a minute because there's another project I want you to be able to do today, and it is about apples. And you're going to need your Play-Doh mat that looks like this. Here's what it's on the one side, but this is the side we're going to work on today. And we're going to do 2 things with your red Play-Doh. So I want you to get out your red Play-Doh, squeeze some of it off. You can squeeze it and feel it. Ooh, it feels so good. Pinch a little bit more off, and then I'm going to put it in my hand and use 2 hands to roll it out. It's an apple. I'm going to put it on my Play-Doh mat like this. And I'm going to fill up my Play-Doh mat with apples. I'm going to get another one. Pinch off some. Whoops, I dropped it. Pinch off some. Put it in my hand and roll it out with my hands. I made another apple. Put it on the circle. Pinch. Roll. On my tree. Pinch. Roll. On my tree. Oh, I can only do 2 more, I think. Pinch and roll. Pinch and roll. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 apples so far. I'm going to try to fill the whole thing up, and I have more Play-Doh that I can do. But there's another thing I want you to know about. It's kind of fun. Actually, I love Play-Doh so much. I like to play it almost every day. And if you want to play with it, you can. This is some good Play-Doh. If you keep it in the baggie, it won't dry out. But the next thing I want to show you, you can try this yourself. You roll it between your hands fast. Sometimes grown-ups can do this for you. And then you end up with a kind of like a snake or a worm. And you can use your Play-Doh scissors to practice snipping. Snip, 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 snip. Oh, I kind of made some apples here. I'm going to put them on my tree. Apples. 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 So when I'm snipping, I like to hold the scissors with my thumb on the top and my fingers underneath. And then my elbow stays by my side. Thumb up, elbow down, snip, snip, snip. I'm gonna try it again. Okay, I'm gonna get a piece. I'm gonna make it into a snake or a worm. Okay, elbow down, thumb up, snip, snip, snip. I did it. Okay, I'm gonna put my apples on the tree. I'm gonna try it one more time. Okay, roll. All these things can be hard if it's your first time doing Play-Doh, but if you've been practicing with Play-Doh, you'll enjoy this activity. So this is my tube. Elbow down. Oops, I gotta get my scissors. Elbow down, thumb up, snip, snip, snip. I think my tree is full of apples now. And I even have some Play-Doh left over. When I'm done, I can squish it all together. Squish, 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 squeeze, 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 squeeze. And then I can do it all over again. You can roll them into balls, or you can snip, snip, snip. You choose, or you could do both. This is a fun one. Have a good day. Goodbye.